So here's Cocktail Flow app. This is a drink recipes. This is number one, a cocktail app out there. Yeah, it's like during the summer or like in some occasions, you can just use this app. It's super handy. Like you just find out which cocktails you can mix with the ingredients you have. Get detailed instructions on how to mix them. Browse hand-pick cocktail recipes. Discover cocktails in a way you never experienced before. Find a cocktail for every occasion. Learn more about every ingredient. So it's pretty cool. So then, yeah, you can just open the app. You can also start exploring it. So yeah, here you can see some very popular iconic cocktails, medium cocktails, pina colada, base spritz. So yeah, you can then just discard, and then there are popular cocktails. So 20th century cocktail. So then yeah, you can see strengths of it. You can see ingredients. You can see notes, what you need to add, how to prepare it, and all the other tips. So yeah, something like that. And then you can see ingredients tab. Then you can see your assistant. If you wanna, log to sync your data, you need to log in or register. Then you have more, and then yeah, if you want, you can just join premium account. It's just $4 per month or $20 per year. And then yeah, then you can also invite your friends here as well. You can create your account, select your language. So pretty cool app. Instead of googling every time like for all these different cocktails and all of that, you just have everything in one app. Super convenient. So here, for example, you have 7-Up, what you can do, or you have like Aperol, whatever, Aperol spritz. So yeah, here you can see you need to have, of course, like Aperol, Prosecco, Club Soda. So yeah, that's it. So super easy cocktail. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope that is helpful.